On to 2012 Topps Prime. Going to have 4 hits, 2 autos, 2 jerseys, just 10 packs. And one of the autos is going to be an auto jersey. 2012 Topps Prime. And we have hit number 1 right here. Very nice. We also have a rookie. Rookie for the Browns, Travis Benjamin. Travis Benjamin for the Browns. Hit number 1 goes to the Browns, Brandon Weeden, 2-color patch. Oh, nice. Numbered up 25. Could have been a better player, but nice low numbered. Brandon Weeden patch out of 25 for the Browns. Nice start. Pack number 2. That's rookie. Have a couple rookies for the Buccaneers. Mark Barron. Mark Barron for the Bucks. And might be a parallel rookie for the Seahawks. Russell Wilson. Not sure if that's a parallel or not, or if that's just his base rookie. But Russell Wilson, rookie for the Seahawks. Pack number 3. This one feels a little thick. Maybe not. Yep. So we're going to have hit number 2. Also have a rookie. Rookie for the Jaguars, Justin Blackmon out of 350. That must be the bronze parallel. Justin Blackmon bronze out of 350. And hit number 2 is going to be for the Colts. Andrew Luck and Coby Fleener out of 405, dual jersey. Nice. Andrew Luck on the left and Coby Fleener on the right. Both play for the Colts. Numbered out of 405. Nice jersey card, dual jersey. Haven't seen Luck in a while. Next pack. Have a insert for the Titans, Chris Johnson, prime timers. Chris Johnson prime timers. And a rookie for the Titans of Kendall Wright. Kendall Wright. Alright, so looks like we have 6 packs left. Looking for both autos still. And here's going to be one of them. I moved it to the back before I saw who it was. Got a rookie for the Dolphins of Lamar Miller. Lamar Miller for the Dolphins. And hit number 3, the first auto, is going to be for the Vikings, Matt Kalil, numbered of 286. Matt Kalil out of 286 for the Vikings. Good player, but offensive linemen don't sell for very much. But a nice card. Matt Kalil, auto for the Vikings out of 286. So, looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left. Just have an auto jersey left. Not in this pack. Oh, nice. Got a rookie parallel for the Buccaneers of Mark Barron, numbered out of 99. Mark Barron for the Buccaneers out of 99. Gonna say that's the silver parallel. Four packs left. Have a insert for the Bengals, AJ Green, prime timers. AJ Green, prime timers for the Bengals. And a rookie for the Colts, Chandler Harnish. Chandler Harnish for the Colts. So, 3 packs left. Just one auto. I'm waiting for it to pop out. Not in this pack. Have a rookie for the Colts, Dwayne Allen. Dwayne Allen for the Colts. Alright, 2 packs left. See if we have the auto here. And it's going to be here because I see a redemption card. Have a rookie for the Colts, Coby Fleener. Coby Fleener, rookie for the Colts. And the last hit is going to be the auto jersey relic for the Panthers, Joe Adams. Joe Adams, Prime 5 auto relic. Too bad it's a redemption. Again, that expires 8/31/15, so plenty of time to get that in. Joe Adams. So, last pack, empty box. Hopefully we have a nice parallel or something. Nope, just a rookie. Rookie for the Dolphins, Michael Egnew. Michael Egnew for the Dolphins. And that's it for 2012